are going to see a debate based on SQL and NoSQL. So as you all know, SQL is a structured database and NoSQL does not have any proper structure, like your banking applications, and then your traditional systems use in a structured way of storing the data, but your modern web applications uses an unstructured or semi-structured form of data. So we will start the discussion with SQL team.
Hi, I am Mohammed Jasir. I am here to speak about SQL. In SQL, data is always safe and accurate. In bank sectors, always prefer the SQL more than NoSQL.
I'm Shruti. I'm going to speak about NoSQL and Node.js. In real-time applications like Instagram, which has an image and post content, which is uses a NoSQL, which is works well for unstructured data. And in this modern lifetime, we use mostly a social media application. So NoSQL uses more than SQL.
I'm Aditya and I am going to talk about SQL. SQL provides role-based access control, so the risk of data being theft or stolen is minimal, and also it works across multiple systems like MySQL, PostgreSQL, and Oracle database. So it provides a complete data management system. It also supports CRUD operations, which is create, read, update, and delete, which helps more in large data sets. Thank you.
It can store text format and JSON document files and etc. And flexible data storage. It can handle no fixed table format, and you can store different types of data in one place.
Hi guys, I'm Manoj Kumar. In SQL, when data migration takes place, we can easily migrate data from MySQL to Oracle or Postgres, because the SQL uses a standard language called structured query language. But when it comes to NoSQL, the database servers use JSON and multiple query languages. So it's very difficult to migrate data. Thank you.
So myself Sanjay, I opposing the point. Actually, the security and the security is good for them, but it may affect the scalability and performance. When we come to performance, NoSQL is good. They have faster and large data set, and in scalability, we are using horizontal scaling, which will handle big data easily.
I am Sujit. I am going to talk about NoSQL. NoSQL is done dynamic because it is easy to transfer the data, and it is faster than SQL. So we can change the points at anywhere at any time. So NoSQL is better compared to SQL.
Hi everyone, I'm Surya. I'm here to talk about SQL. SQL has better data integrity when compared to NoSQL. SQL supports priority, foreign key, and constraints. This prevents the messy and duplicate data. So wherever the security, safe transactions is needed, SQL is considered as a best choice.
Good morning everyone, I am Sanjana. I am going to talk about NoSQL. When it comes to data storage, we use data applications where the multiple copies of data is stored in different nodes. If one node fails, the another node serves the request. For instance, in Facebook, if the server crashes, the users still have access to photos and messages. This ensures 24/7 uptime.
Hi, I am Sujit. I talk about SQL structure and relationships. SQL uses well-defined structures such as tables, rows, and columns. Uses ID maintenance. It allows easy maintenance, which makes data ID argument. It allows easy maintenance of relationship using foreign keys, and supports complex queries like join. Easy to connect multiple tables like tables. Like example, students name, attendance report, mark
marks, etc. Thank you.
Myself is not question. Now I am going to speak about structures in NoSQL. Here we are using different non-structures data to implement in NoSQL. But in SQL there is only possibilities to store only the structured data. But in NoSQL we can store different types of documents, graphs, and then different types of text in various formats. And then it is more layable than compared to the structures data like SQL. Because we can, wherever we need to change, there is a little small or huge types of mistakes, we can easily change the mistakes in the NoSQL. But in SQL we need to change the mistakes from starting to the end.